everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. Let us for now focus on this one. Suppose that gravitational attraction between a star of mass m and planet of mass m is given by the expression this one. Okay. So, generally force we write as g m by r ka square. Done hai. So conventionally, or this is the fact that we have read, and this is f is inversely proportional to r ka square. But in this question we don't have to use this one because we are given a different planet configuration, right? And for that planet configuration, f is equal to k m by r ka power n. This is given. Okay, so we need to work with this force. If the orbital speed of planet were found to be independent of distance r from the star, calculate the time period t naught of a planet going around a star in a circular orbit of radius r naught. So we are getting orbital velocity is uh, is independent of radius. That is, it is directly proportional to r ka power 0. Okay? And in that case, we have to calculate time period. डन है. सो हाउ वी विल वर्क अराउंड इट. आपको भी पता है अगर कोई भी प्लैनेट हो इसके ऑर्बिट में, लेट्स से आर रेडियस के ऑर्बिट में, इफ यू आर लॉन्चिंग सर्टेन थिंग्स, सो वी नीड टू लॉन्च इट विथ स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी सो दैट इट कैन स्टे इन दिस ऑर्बिट and this gravitational pull of the planet can take it around in this orbit. Done hai? So basically that v velocity it had already, and this v velocity gets sustained because of this gravitational pull. It keeps moving like this. So get sustained meaning, देखो यहाँ पे gravitational pull का force और velocity vector का direction 90 degree है. So this force will not work on changing the magnitude of velocity, so that will remain constant, and this force will take it into the circle. Okay, so this force will act as the centripetal force, and centripetal force is equal to how much? mv square by r. So here Fc is given as what? Kmm by Rn. So यहाँ पे आप लिख लो Kmm by Rn, and this is equal to mv square by r. This will get cancelled. Velocity ka square is equal to how much? Km by Rn minus 1. So velocity has to be independent of r thing, and for that r has to be, n minus 1 has to be 0. Okay, so then only r will get out of the scene, right? So n minus 1 is 0, n is equal to 1, and if n equal to 1, r ka power 0, this will become 1, right? So v square is equal to km, orbital velocity is equal to k. This is a constant thing, right? Not dependent on the radius. Now we have to calculate time period. You know that if anything is going in a circle, time period can be written as 2 pi r by v. ठीक है, so this is equal to 2 pi r divided by root under km. This will be your what? This will be your time period. Okay, and r value is given as what? R naught. So this is 2 pi r naught by v, 2 pi r naught by root under k. So I hope you have understood this question. This was a very simple one. We just need to understand कि orbital velocity हम कैसे निकालते, time period कैसे निकालते. So it has to do with the derivation. And this is the simplest one that you can get. Even if you know the concept of circular motion, kinematics of circular motion, you can easily get at this question. So I hope you have understood it. But if you have doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Take care of yourself and keep solving more number of questions. Bye-bye.